Hi there! Welcome to the Reading and Writing lecture. This is Maestro Kelbong once again. For today's lecture, we're going to learn business correspondences. Business correspondences are commonly known as office correspondences or business letter, just like the application letter, which will be discussed in our next lesson or next module. These are also formal, making the contents specific and concise. The tone should still be straight to the point and the language is clear and simple. Even the format and the parts are the same. However, take note that elements of time, objectivity, and correctness should be carefully considered too. Business correspondences come in different types depending on your purpose of writing. Notice their differences as you learn the following types of business correspondence. The first one, a recommendation letter. A recommendation letter comes from the previous employer. This letter focuses on the professional relationship of the previous employer to his or her employee. Thus, this contains positive points that may convince the prospective employer. The second one is the acknowledgement letter. An acknowledgement letter is also known as the letter of receipt. It expresses acceptance or receipt of a prior correspondence. This also lets the receiver know if an action regarding his or her request, complaint, or inquiry has taken place. Bro, kailangan ko ang tulong mo. Isang matinding tulong ang ano natin. Kasi, di ba, magpapatayo tayo ng bagong proyekto para sa kumpanya. Naalala mo yan? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo dati? Okay. So, ngayon, hindi ko ma-figure out kung ano yung gagawin nating una. Oo, meron na yung plano. Kaso ang problema, hindi ko alam kung saan tayo kukuha ng materyales, maganyan. Wala tayong mga materyales dito sa company. Oh, really? May mga affiliated tayong mga company. So, anong gagawin ko? So, mag-prepare lang ng inquiry letter. Para saan yun? Okay. So, gagamitin natin yung inquiry letter para makakuha ng informasyon kung ano yung mga kailangan o yung mga, kung may mga binibenta silang mga materials para sa construction. Okay, sige. So, may listahan ka ng mga affiliated na company sa ating kumpanya. Oh, good. Sige. Pakibigyan naman ako eh. Email mo na lang sa akin mamaya, no? Okay, sige. Pero meron pa tayong isang problema eh. Yung budget kasi ang pinakamahirap eh. Sa tingin mo magbibigay si CEO ng ating, budget? Oo naman. Prepare ako ng budget request niyan. Oo. Magsusulat, ilalagyan natin yan. Isasend ko sa kanya. Pero magkano? Kasya na ba yung 10M? Oo, kasya na. Okay, sige. So, gagawin ko na, no? Okay, sige. Kita tayo mamaya. Bike tayo? The third one is an inquiry letter. An inquiry letter is written to ask a specific question. The sender should be specific with his or her question and identify exactly the kind of information needed. Number 4, a request letter. A request letter is written to ask for a particular information, permission, favor, or even service. So this letter uses polite yet straightforward language. Good afternoon. Yes, sir. What can I do for you? Ako nga pala si Mr. Juan. Yung nakatira sa Unit 2207. 2207. Kasamahan po ni Basura. Oh, napunta nga ako dito kasi meron akong mga i-complain sana. Kasi yung room ninyo, ewan ko na lang kung gusto ko pang tumira doon. Kasi ang dami-daming mga nangyayari doon sa room na yon. Unang-una, sira yung CR. Naglilik yung tubig sa CR. Kagaya nung mag-leak ang baho mo, kaya iniwan sa niya. Pangalawa, sira yung doorknob. Gaya ng pasira ninyong relasyon, kaya huwag ka nang umasa na mamahalin ka pa niya. Pangatlo, masyado pong malamig yung aircon. Kahit yung pinakamataas na, masyado pa rin malamig. Singlamig ng relasyon ninyong dalawa, kaya huwag ka nang umasa pa na mamahalin ka niya habang buhay. Pang-apat, miss, ang iingay ng mga kapitbahay. Sobra. Sing-ingay ng mga kapitbahay ninyo na wala nang ibang ginawa kundi magchismisan at pagchismisan ng mga buhay ng may buhay. At ito, miss, ang pinakamatindi, napakalabo ang reception ng mga TV. Dala-dalawa ang TV doon pero napakalabo ang reception. Kagaya ninyong dalawa, ang labo ninyong kausap, ang labo ng relasyon ninyo. Umaasa pang isa't isa na magiging kayo. Pinagsasabi niyo, sir? Ay nako, kung ako sa inyo, sir, gumawa kayo ng complaint letter. It's a business correspondence yan. Tapos, isend nyo na lang dun sa may-ari. Tsaka isa pa, hindi naman ito yung sa may condo Sa SSS po ito, sir. Gusto niyo pong mag-loan? Number 5, a complaint letter. A complaint letter is written to express a problem, discontentment, or even a protest. This tends to have a strong content. However, the complainant should still express his ideas and feelings in a formal tone. Number 6, an apology letter. An apology letter is written as an expression of regret, and its intention is to make amends for a mistake. The sender should then explain the reason or the reasons behind the mistake and provide specific way to resolve the situation. And finally, a resignation letter. Good afternoon po, ma'am. Yes, what can I do for you? Ma'am, ano yan? Ma'am, ano ma'am gusto... A resignation letter? Why? Oh ma'am kailangan ko na po kasi... This time? Really? I'm sorry ma'am, meron pong apology letter po yan ma'am. Explain why? Oh ma'am mag-resign na ako ma'am Because? Basta sa ang hirap po ma'am kasi pinagdadaanan ko dito. Dito ma'am. Hirap ba? So, inaapay ako. Oh ma'am. Because feeling ko ma'am I don't belong here. Mag-resign na lang po ako ma'am. So, may conversation naman po kami ma'am. Yes ma'am. You had a conversation? Wala na. Basta ma'am, mag-resign na ako. No, this can't be. Magre-resign ka sa mga panahon na ito, kailangan ka namin. Dodoblen ko ang sahod mo. Magkano bang gusto mo? Talaga ma'am? Magkano ma'am? Name your price. Parang gusto ko yan ma'am. Sige ma'am, hindi na pa ako magre-resign. A resignation letter is written by an employee who wishes to formally leave his or her job position. This letter should contain employee's reason or reasons for leaving, future career plans, appreciation of the work experience, and the exact date the resignation will be effective. And that's all for the lesson today. Thank you so much and I hope to see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.